Hi, I'm at SHOT Show. My name is Bo Ballard. I'm with Leatherman Tool Company. I'm the Director of Sales for North America. Today we're excited to talk about our new Free collection. First I'll start with the P2 and the P4. It's totally about a new range of motion, freedom from what you're normally known. You have to kind of unknow everything. So first with this, we utilize magnets within this. So you also, to get it activated, you release through there. And what we want to do is we want to try to utilize one range of motion, one hand. So I'll do it one more time. Break the magnetic motion, flip through there, and then you get to our side where we have the premium jaws. You get to the other side where all the other components are, and where we traditionally we've picked with our fingers. Now you just flip through here, you fan which one you want. By taking it all the way, you'll hear it click. You'll get the epic haptic. You know that it's engaged, it's locked. To unlock, pull back, release back into its shelving right through there. Now with this, the way this is set up, also prevent from wear and tear, some more durability, ease of use. So we've talked about using one hand now instead of two. Maybe you're on a ladder, maybe you're doing something, you got a specific project you're doing with one hand. So it's totally changing everything you've ever thought. And so right here we have the P2. This will be available at select retailers, domestic and global. So this will be at $119.95. We also have the P4 that has a few more components, same technology of the magnetic infrastructure on that, and that'll be available at $139.95.